you too. I nearly missed the train almost. I nearly missed it. I saw the engines, you too. So I couldn't get on camera because I got down my phone out just in time to get the engines. But yeah, so I think it's the NS Auto train, you too. I like you too, Conrail. Good old Conrail. Auto car. Oh, you just Southern Pacific! Wow, nice. Southern Pacific auto car, YouTube. Old school Southern Pacific. Nice. Oh, easy, buddy. There goes the train, YouTube. There goes the NS Auto train, YouTube. Wow, I did not expect. I didn't know that. I didn't know that train was coming, YouTube. What a very nice catch. And yeah, YouTube, what a very long auto train, YouTube. With 2-9s was leaning. If you don't know that it was 2-9s leaning auto train, you don't know. It was 2 NS-9 was leaning that NS auto train into the night. So yeah. So I'm sorry to get engines on camera because I didn't get my phone out just in time. I can't get my phone out in time to film the engines as well. But yeah, that was two Norfolk Southern -9s lane NS auto train. Till then, y'all, I'm out. My name is Austin Dudley. Until then, that's my video. Y'all don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe for more. Until then, y'all, I'm